Welcome to SolvencyTool and this short note on security in our system. I would, to begin with, go to administration to show you a few of the features on how to set up security in SolvencyTool. First of all, we suggest concerning the company as a whole that two-factor authentication is made a mandatory thing for all users. Do that by selecting Enforce two-factor authentication on the company administration and simply click Save. This means that every user will have to use two-factor authentication if a cell phone number is not provided by the user. The two-factor authentication will be done by use of the personal email. Now, secondly, for each of the users in here, be careful what you do concerning the use of data services and make sure that only the relevant users that need to use data services are actually given the right to do so. Furthermore, take a look and inspection into the access rights for each of the users and deselect the things here under administration if the relevant user is not going to have the right to edit any of these properties. Now, the final thing I will draw the attention to is the IP ranges, and I would suggest that you define a range for the particular company. Say, for instance, here I will define a range called SolvencyTool, and this will mean that only users coming from this IP address in the range here will have the right to access the system. Now I will delete this one again, and finally I will show you that you can get each of the backups on a daily basis from the system in here. This was this very short notice on security for the system.